In front of me is OPPO Find X8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by launching recorder and clicking on this red button at the bottom to start. To pause it or unpause it, use the same one. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to add a photo mark on the right one. Then take a pic, discard it by this X or add it, thanks to this check mark. If you want to delete your recording right away, choose cancel at the top left corner and choose one of those options. If you want to save it, hit save, name it and tap save here. Then, if you want to play it, click on it and use all of those options to edit it. You can also click on those three dots at the top right corner and use all of those. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!